but please follow the protocols. If you have some doubt, you have to know what is the level of doubt what you have and to whom you are approaching about that doubt to. There are so many number of times that you approached the wrong person and the wrong advice was given to you and you had to do it all over again. There was a mistake, reason that other person also did not know based on the level. It is like sometimes they are your peers, they will help you in personal things. But when it comes to professional, there are people who know based on the experience they know. There are silly mistakes you feel, I asked that particular person, not to blame the other person. The approach of yours was to that person. You felt comfortable or compatible. It's no wrong on, it's not wrong on yours, it's not wrong on your side, I'm not saying, but you felt, okay, what is there? Chinnade kada anpichinది, but it is included in the system. So I'm talking about, as a faculty, you have certain guidelines what we have to follow. As a class in charge, there are certain rules or certain regulations what you have to, when you are doing it, automatically you will inculcate the same in the students. It's the belongingness what they should have to the class, like you have the belongingness to the department. So there are certain protocols what I'm calling out is, first you are a faculty of the department, right? Whatever it may be, then comes, now as a faculty what is your responsibility? If I ask you, you will tell ma'am taking classes. Yes, the first priority is taking classes. What could be the next thing what you relate to the classes? Now I said unit planners, ma'am was saying, how many of you might have asked, went back to ma'am, asked ma'am, teaching learning plan, still I didn't do it. I don't know what is the teaching methodology I will be using. How many of you might be having that doubt when you go into the class? Is it the right method what we are using? We only use lecture, we only use PowerPoint. Maybe sometimes it is quiz based or caselet, just because we are saying it is mandatory. Otherwise, did you ever think about any other teaching methodology? So, when you are saying teaching is your first priority, I am a faculty, I will teach. What is the teaching methodology you will be using is what you reflect in the TL. That's the reason we have to prepare. It's not that black and white paper what we are talking about. We always feel 20 pages of TLP cheyali. For all the 5 units we have to do, we have to search for textbooks. These are certain things which come into your mind. We say, inta cheyala. No. Etla cheyali. How we have to do is what is there in our vision also. How are we going to benefit? Now it is because of, why were we talking about when NAC came in, the peer team came in, we are saying our best teaching or innovative teaching methodologies we were saying. None of us might have implemented that in class. Maybe ma'am always implements think, pair and share. Think, pair and share chestam. What is the other teaching methodology? I can do it next time. The same subject or the next concept I am using, can I do it a little differently? And why are we saying it is, teaching learning plan will help you to teach better. Teach better. And then the students are not ready to listen to the concept in a monotonous way nowadays. Reason we are doing online classes. So keep on using different methodologies. And how well you can keep the student attentive in class is so important. But ravatledu ma'am, they are not bothered ma'am, they are reckless ma'am. All students are like that, we are also like that. If we are left to ourselves, we are also like that. So how do you create interest in them? So as one is faculty, two is I told you as a subject faculty, three I told your teaching methodology will reflect you in the class. That's the best thing you can do to the class. And they will only come back to you. Right? Give more creative assignments. That's how you create a bond between you and your student. You identify the first 10. You identify the next 15. Identify the last 20. Don't call it so in the class. You identify. Now to them you give a creative assignment. For the first 10 you give a mini project. You give those SBTs in that level. Not for all the same SBTs work out. So this is what also you write in your teaching learning plan. So that's how it becomes important, teaching learning plan, right? Now, As subject faculty, I told you. Then I told you how you have to create a bond between you and the students, and they have to. Now comes class in charge. Now, whenever there is any problem in the class, it is the class in charge who is supposed to solve any issue relating to the subject faculty. If Magdalene ma'am is teaching your class, Magdalene ma'am also has to approach you. And this is what is the problem I have. If you are not able to solve at your level, then it will come to you. It will not come immediately. So, if you can solve, nothing like this. Usually as a mother, we solve all the issues back home, no? We have a solution for it. Yes or no? We have it with us. And they rely on us. That's how your students have to rely on. Do they do it is what you have to test. So that's your testing point. You have to also be patient, go back, know everybody. I don't know if you know all the students by this time because your semester has passed by one semester. All the students only have to look up to you. They should not come to Dana ma'am at all. I'm not saying don't come. I'm not saying don't come. They have to look up to the class in charge. They have to say, Mamta ma'am will have a solution for me. I escalate eppudutundante you may solve cheyalekapothe escalate. One more thing here, I don't know if I have to state it. You need not tell your colleague. You need not tell anybody else in the college. Because it is you and your student. Can we do that? Build in trust. Don't tell any student also. Don't tell any other faculty also. Don't share it. It is your class. All your students are reflecting your class. E1 annanante Mamta reflect avutundaka. That's it. That's it. And know all your subject faculty, how they are teaching. If it is from Tech Mahindra Vani ma'am, know the trainer also. Know the trainer. Sometimes you also attend. You see Nijanga what students are feeling. You can know the pulse when you sit through a class. That's how you belong to that class. So, okay 10 minutes, you can just be there. Are they doing justice to the class is what you can know. So, this is how also you create a class in charge brand. You have to brand yourself as a class in charge. This is where we are lacking is what I know. We feel class తీసుకోవాలి ఇంకో క్లాస్ తీసుకోవాలి. See, I have a second hour, I have a fourth hour, I have a fifth hour. But don't leave them just because they are not in the campus. They are still there. After that, at least take 10 minutes time. You tell them, I have class till 4th hour. Call me after 1 o'clock. Message me after 1 o'clock. I know they will flood messages in your phone. But whom do you think they will call otherwise? Don't you think your class information will go to somebody else? Right? Again, they will come back to you only for a solution. So, this one thing you can keep in mind is what is about. Then maintaining of attendance registers. Now, whenever we see attendance register, you feel writing numbers in it is enough. Am I talking sense? Writing numbers, ఇక్కడ 1 to 50 రాసిస్తే సరిపోతుంది. And absentees, if I am reflecting, it is fine అనిపిస్తుంది. It isn't so. Filling the register completely is mandatory here. Now the first page, I don't know how many of you might have filled the almanac here. It says, you have to know when did the semester begin, when are they going to write the first internal. Did you ever speak about the almanac to your students? No. Yes. No, yes. There are yeses and there are no's. Fine. Yeah, there are yeses and there are no's. First you have to know the almanac. So, the moment you start off the semester, you have to tell them this is how your semester is going to be. That is the reason the first part of your register reflects about almanac. So talk about today we are starting, and after so many number of days you will have your first internal. Prepare their minds for first internal. Right? Though they are writing online, keep them alert that after 20 days, after 35 days, after 40 days you have to write, you have to go in for your internal. Otherwise, you know, the day before they'll ask you for notes. Right? The day before they will come and plunge on you, they will say, textbook ledu, this textbook is not there, that textbook is not there. Tell them sometimes, have you seen the library? Did you visit the library? Did you get the book in the library? Have that coordination with Henry sir. speak to him sometimes. Sir, POT pick up a textbook nahi hai, help my students. The other day there was one student who called me. He is talking about some other subject which I am not teaching. Trust me, that student calls me only because I teach one subject to that class. Not as HOD. He is not calling me as HOD, no complaints. He is saying, ma'am, I am in the main campus. This fellow is not allowing me inside. I have to go to the library and get textbooks. So who told you to go to that library, that campus? This is the librarian told. I don't know if the class in charge knows about it, but the students went there without the I card, without the library card. They feel it is a cakewalk into the main campus, just like that to the library. No, it is not. Do you know that there are also textbooks available? Do you know that the main campus also issues our students? Have a talk with Henry sir sometimes. Know that there are textbooks available. Otherwise, write and give. There is requirement sheet which I gave to the library committee. Do you know the library committee from the department? Vandana ma'am is there, Lalita ma'am is there in the library committee. Requisition has to be given for the textbooks. Do you know, last minute what we are doing is, students don't have the textbook, they are doing from the notes what we have given. Last minute they come and tell the textbooks are not available in the library. Right? So don't wait. The moment the semester begins, see if there are available textbooks, at least in multiples of 5. Number 5 textbooks for the references what are given, textbooks which are given at the end of your syllabus. So first thing, fill up the almanac in the register, attendance register. Tell the students also about it. And the next part is talking about the submission, report submission. We have to practice of submitting this attendance register, what I am maintaining for one subject, to the class in charge for 1 month what I have done, because every month attendance would be calculated. Now because we are not doing it, it doesn't mean that we don't write it here. So write it per month when we are actually keeping it ready in case there are attendance needed. So that's the filling what we do in the next block what we have in the register. Now, we don't have the habit of filling the top line, no? We sometimes say Tavachedan Leanna filling. So I'll tell you, there was a lapse, there was a flaw when the particular register was given to the inspection team. Sudden inspection ainappudu, academic year was not mentioned here. So they were finding out which year this register belonged to. That was Vincent Padova. We were struggling a register which year it is belonging to an FSC. From then onwards, I remember they didn't write it here. No, before that, there was a police person who came to inspect for Appudu. We had a problem with the registers then. The police commissioner was supposed to, he was like, didn't write anything here, which academic year it belonged to. And they were also so stern on, when we use only one pen, we use it, it is fine. Try doing it with different pens sometimes, because they were thinking we filled it at the last moment. It's like that. They had that feeling. That's one more observation what I had for. And anything else what you do in the last page is your internal one. Please enter the internal marks the moment you complete your sheet. No, you have it in the soft copy, and take this. Actually, we take the signature of the student. That's how this register is complete. That's when it is complete. Whenever they come for the application, no, they definitely come for the application. Leave it with Rohi ma'am as a class in charge, and tell one of the class representatives to take care that they sign it in the register. Ma'am, there is no solution. There is solution for everything. So can we complete the registers likewise? And keep in mind that we have to write our SPTs. That's how your pattern of register is. Completely. Don't put a dot. That dot is not allowed actually in the register. We fill it. Whenever you have time, no, keep on filling it. Approximately time untundi. So kindly fill up. Now for the registers to be submitted, I have been putting it since NAC time, because father told me that I am not getting registers for signature. It is our practice that we submit our registers every Saturday to father. Father will sign. Wherever you complete your attendance here in the block here, no? At the end, father signs every register. So today I told we will submit it. So what you do is, Every day you complete the register from now onwards. We'll have that practice. Because of pandemic, we did not have that practice. But now onwards, we'll have practice. We'll submit it. Father said he will sign the registers. He'll sign the previous semesters also, whichever is perfectly complete, because father will put a question mark again. He'll put question marks wherever will count. That's why I'm telling you to fill it completely. Question mark pettestar, green pen though. So see that you don't, and are you putting the capital A for absent? Capital A for absent, don't put a dot. Again for dot also, you will get a question mark back. That's about the registers.
One more thing.
Yes.
Reading should not be used.
No, yeah, no red pen. We all know about it. No red pen, please. Okay. Now, why do we haven't started the practice of writing teaching diary last semester. So for back day, please write. Now, all of you might be having, ma'am, how do we write? How do we write? Enterayali. How much we have to write? Ma'am, we have problems, no? How do I write my problems? How do I reflect? I mean, how do you write? See, you write the concept, the problem you are. See, I first tell you about the theory. If you have the side points, mention the concept and the sub points there, and that's the end of your concept when you are teaching in class. Also, that's how you write. You don't write the definition and all that. Don't forget, half a page for every day.
1 to 3, 4, not more than that.
Don't forget to mention the teaching methodology you used. Mandatory teaching methodology and number of classes you took, which were allotted at the end of the week. Number of classes you took. That is where father will sign.
And also, if it is
Okay.
possible, you can write the syllabus status also there. Like
Yes.
you completed
Completed
by the end
this
of the
much.
week so much.
Yeah. Weekly basis is what you are also introspecting.
I have taken one concept.
Huh.
So I have to write its definition.
No need. No need. You say you covered a definition, concept, meaning, and then what you told after that, features. What you told. Features you can write the subpoints. Yes. And if it is possible, mention the source from where you are using the, because you are not writing the definition there. So the textbook what you are using, please use the recent edition. That is what is also mandatory. And how do I write about the problems? I also taught FOA through me. So I also might have had that same problem. Huge problems with the formats what we use. You write the page number from where you did. Agar Jain and Narang say if you are doing that problem, you say I have used that illustration from Jain and Narang's this page number and this illustration. And it is very clear. So I can go back to that textbook, say this is what I have done. That's how you write for the problem. And the rest is the theory. What you have unit 1 and unit 5, you have the theory and the starting of it is the theory again. Okay?
For each subject we have to maintain one.
Now, that's what I said. When you flip, you have these color pages which are separating it. You have the color page which is separating it. That's for one subject. So you have 5 flips there, color dividing the pages. So you have one flip completely for one subject. So you can write 5 subjects in it. Actually, we write year-long edits. Once you complete, you can tell me. I'll give you another one. Write your academic year, don't forget, because this is very important. When you write academic year, you follow. So that's about the teaching diary, the attendance register, class in charge. Academic record. Ikkada kuda, I think you didn't know how to fill up the first page. Important. Fill it up, please. Take some time and fill up. If you're not able to understand approach, me or somebody who've been writing it. Even Smriti ma'am writes. I don't know if you have approached it anytime. Cumulative is what you have to calculate and write. That is very, very important. Once you learn how do you do the cumulative number or percentage, number of classes what you have taken. So kindly learn that once, you will be able to understand and write that pages also. Fill it up. The first 2 pages have to be filled up. I'm sure you might have flipped the first page and moved into. Father will put 1 question mark there. Okay? You will get all green question marks when you submit like that. Oh no, we had that experience. But we forget sometimes. We flip it and forget it. So try and do. See what
Ma'am, all the subjects in the first paper should be covered, ma'am, because we are all subjects.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now we are maintaining academic record for MBA separately, BBA separately.
Yes. Because our inspections are different.
So ma'am, same thing for teaching there we also.
Because most of them who are sitting here are only
having only one.
teaching.
That only ma'am.
Teaching diary 1 है.
One
teaching diary is a unique practice what we have. See when
కదా అన్ని ఉన్నట్టు ఉంటుందని.
మొన్న NACBAL వచ్చినప్పుడు they appreciated our teaching diary sessions. That's our unique practice. So they will not have a objection towards how we are maintaining. We are maintaining where other people, nobody else is maintaining it since. The unit planners is our credit and also teaching diary. We got that compliment it since. Monna the peer team told that it is a very good practice what we have. So father, that's why he's insisting that we continue to do it until we go in for MBA. That's going to be our unique practice. Planning to do, they're copying us? Not very bad. Okay. Anyways, very good that they are going. They're growing.
2005
Okay.
onwards we have that.
Okay, coming to the very important part is course coordinators. Course coordinators and assistant course coordinator. I don't want to call it as assistant course coordinator. There is nothing like assistant course coordinator. It's like you are a co-course coordinator. So why is that when I started in the year 2015, we never had an assistant or a co-course coordinator. We were doing everything by ourselves. It was only one soul for one particular course. IT. I was IT course coordinator when it started off. It started off with me only. It was French and Latin for me because it was IT. The one thing I never joined corporate was that I never liked using system. But I'm living with the system now. Okay. So what does the course coordinator do and what does the co-course coordinator do? It is like major part comes when it is board of studies. What madam told is that you will be completely doing all the works which are related to sharing of what works you have with the co-course coordinator. It is not that they are below me, they have to do what I tell. There is nothing like that. There is just sharing. If you have 10 works, what you have to do, you will do 5 works and the other person will do 5 works. It's only sharing your burden. That's why a co-course coordinator is allotted. And the course coordinator has the basic work when it is BOS. When BOS happens, you have the basic works. Main works what you have is 10. The register distribution, attendance registers and all, you can handle it yourself actually. Actually we can handle it.
Yearly once it is conducted.
That's it ma'am. Ante. Yearly once. Okay. Syllabus చూసుకోవాలి. Changes ఏమైనా ఉంటే we will have meeting. The pre-BOS what ma'am says. Look into the changes. Have coordination with the subject faculty. Also along with the other course coordinators, that is BBA. If they are similar subjects, same work అవుతుంది. అన్ని కంపైల్ చేస్తాం. If there are changes, if it is IT, with the computer science department. If the Wiley-గా ఉందంటే Wiley వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన subjects చూస్తాం. So all that what we fit into the structure again. If there are any changes, we will go through the complete changes. Any changes which were already told and we have to bring it down, we have to put it there and then prepare the final copy. This is the process we are involved. Okay ma'am. Yes ma'am. Okay, and then this is about the course coordinators. Now coming to the committee conveners and committee members. Once you are a part of a committee and you are a committee convener, that means you are a lead for that particular committee. You have to take initiative, you have to have a plan of action for the semester. See to it that you do something different for the committee. Now why that particular committee is given to you is not as a burden. Now first thing, don't think that it is a burden when a committee is given to you is what I felt because of the feedbacks what I get. E committee enduku icharu, aa committee. Don't feel like that. Think, instantaneously I had to think when Nursing Rao sir left is Maisa sir. NSS. Sir, I said, NSS? Oh ma'am, I will do it. YRC? I will do it ma'am. It's like this. It's not that I don't like that committee, I can't do that work, it is not my cup of tea. That doesn't mean that you belong to the college. When you belong to the college, every committee you should have a flavor of or a taste of. You should know all the works which are going on in the department, right? So when a committee is given, as a committee convener, you take a lead, you have a plan of action along with the other members, then you have a division of work. On a rotation basis is what we do as a committee convener. And then for the members, what they have to do is coordinate. Go back and ask if there is any work which is still left out, anything new what we can do, give your peace of mind. Is always a welcome. So it's a teamwork again. Committee lo anta members enduku untarante teamwork kosam. not that you feel that convener చూసుకుంటారు. Yesterday also I had this feedbacks coming in that the convener is having a tough time to coordinate with the members. Kindly do a teamwork when it comes to committee, please. Understand. We actually have to know the SOPs, how it operates. Father usually do one-on-one when it comes to committees. That's how you're put on to the operational activities which are involved in that particular committee. This year, because of pandemic, we could not do it. We will start doing it again. So have a plan of action as committee and as committee convener, plan of action for the semester and committee members working in a team is what I wanted to mention. I told you about protocols and department culture, and then parent-teacher meet. Yeah, we usually make it a mandate that every semester we have 2 parent-teacher meets. They used to come sit with us. We speak to each and every parent. We make it mandatory. They come and meet us. We tell about the marks, performance, attendance, their behavior, attitude in class towards the other subject faculty. All this is what is the feedback what we used to give the parent. Reason how he is at home he might not be the same. The student might not be the same. So we bring it together. What we know about him, we tell the parent. What the parent knows about, we will know. So sometimes it surprises us also. It surprises. So we will try and conduct this parent-teacher meet on a regular basis. Now, whatever are the remarks what you have about the student, maintain it. Even if you have some issues in the class, ask them to write a letter. Why? For the reason that is a disciplinary issue. You have to have a backup for it. Why letter? Why I am saying scan? Always scan a letter and keep it with you. Keep a printout list. Later on when we go back, they will just say, I never did that. నేను ఎప్పుడు చేశాను, నేను చేయలేదని వేస్తాడు వాడు. చుక్కలు కనిపిస్తాయి అప్పుడు. So if you go back to that page, this is the letter man, you said you wrote an apology. Have a class teacher, and then you have that file, you have the disciplinary issues, letters with you, leave letters, they are not coming regular. Keep a track of the student as a class in charge. And this parent-teacher meet, have remarks. If any parent is calling you, other than parent-teacher meet also, immediately note down what they are telling into the parent-teacher book. Right? And then keep it as a remark. If they are saying my child is not attending, our parents who are telling that even for the exam it seems, I was so surprised for the parent who told me, I will tell you ma'am, you will be surprised. He is saying, he is a scorer, topper of the class. Ma'am, तभी उठता वो, exam है, 5 minutes से पहले उठता, he will sit on the bed like that only, yawning, he will write exam it seems. And now you can understand why we had uploading problems. I was so shocked. This is how my child has become, ma'am. Put offline classes అంటాడు వచ్చి. ఆవిడ ఇట్లా తయారయ్యాడు మ్యామ్, బెడ్ మీద కూర్చొని అప్పుడే లేస్తాడంట మ్యామ్, కళ్ళు ఇట్లా తుడుచుకునేసి ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తాడంట వాడు. I was so shocked. So can we have a track? He's saying please call him to college.
Definitions అయితే inverted commas కూడా
తీసేస్తున్నాడు. Correct. I am so surprised. Law కూడా I am so surprised.
పిల్లలైతే అందరికి 28.
Wow.
అసలు గ్రామర్ బట్ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్ని సేమ్. ఐ నీడ్ టు చెక్.
నాకు కొన్ని చోట్ల అయితే కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేశాడు అనిపించింది. కాపీ పేస్ట్
వాట్సాప్ లో వాళ్ళకి
కాపీ పేస్ట్ బద్ధకం వాళ్ళకి.
ఇంకా మా పిల్లల అమాయకులు మ్యామ్.
1, 2, 3, 4 students, they will select one particular answer. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will be
Sharing. So outsourcing of answers. Okay. So can I tell you a solution for this? Can I tell you a solution for it? Make a question bank. Conduct a Viva and SBT, not presentations. Drill him out. He has to learn the concepts. వాడు వద్దన్నా కాపీ చేయడు. నువ్వు చేయమన్నా చేయడు వాడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్. We do see the solution for him not to copy. Drill him out in Viva కండక్ట్ చేయండి. క్వశ్చన్ బ్యాంక్ రెడీ చేసుకో. 25 questions or 30 questions క్వశ్చన్ బ్యాంక్. అన్ని 30 questions ఒకటి ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. వాడికి అప్పుడు 5 marks ఇస్తాం. 5 marks. నో ప్రెజెంటేషన్. ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు ప్రెజెంటేషన్? బిందాస్ ఎక్కడ రోడ్ మీద అంట. अरे why is this noise coming right now? मैम दुकान को जा रहा हूँ मैं, रोड లో ఉన్నా, మీరు ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అన్నట్టు చేస్తున్నట్ట రోడ్ మీద కూర్చొని చేస్తున్నాడు మ్యామ్. వాడు కీ 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 అప్పుడు I was so surprised. I said, this is not happening. This is not happening. So, కాపీయింగ్ మినిమైజ్ చేయాలి అంటే క్వశ్చన్ బ్యాంక్ రెడీ చేసుకొని ఇదరా 30 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇంటర్నల్ 1 ఇవి క్వశ్చన్స్ స్పీక్ 5 మార్క్స్ ఇస్తాను నీకు అప్పుడు ఆల్ ద 30 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్ డివైడ్ 5 మార్క్స్ ని మీరు 0.0525 0.5 హాఫ్ మార్క్ అరే భలే చెప్పా 1/4 మార్క్ అన్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే 5 మార్క్స్ ఇస్తాను దట్స్ ఇట్ కండక్ట్ అ వైవా డెఫినెట్లీ హీ విల్ మినిమైజ్ హిస్ కాపింగ్ వాడు వద్దన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ గుర్తుంటుందిగా 30 క్వశ్చన్స్ లో రాస్తాడు తప్పకుండా రాస్తాడు we will do this maybe other faculty also I will tell that's about parent teacher meet SPT all can follow 5 marks 5 marks
Internal, they did something like this, ma'am. I came to know. One of the students, they have exchange answers via WhatsApp, and that WhatsApp web is there on their systems.
copy paste చేశారు external కూడా చేశారు
Even if we switch on their, even if they switch on their cameras, we won't be able to see.
yeah
We need to go for alternatives now.
Yeah. Now I told you, one alternative. Another one, what you do is 1 mark I'll give you if you conduct 10 questions in the concept what you are presenting. Don't present. Now PPT వద్దు. నువ్వు questions అడుగు. But questions అడగాలంటే ఒక ఆన్సర్ తెలియాలిగా నేర్చుకుంటాడు. So 1 mark only. Quiz conduct చేస్తే 1 mark. Any other mode what is using 1 mark. I'll tell you the last part. Result analysis. After every semester when we have external results come in. The subject faculty have to do result analysis. The format will be shared with you because of pandemic we didn't have the exams kada. Now coming up we will have the results coming in. So we have to do the result analysis which will go into the record. Subject wise we will do and then consolidated class in charges will do. There is a format for it which is mandatory again, which was I think you might not be knowing. We do it for each and every subject 1 page analysis chestamu. We will know how many students fail. We will also give a reason why they fail. What are we going to do? How will you make those students cope up with the subject and get over? Is also a reason what you will write, sign, and then get signed by father. So now you will know how many students failed in your subject. Keep a track of them. See to it that they clear up. You have to speak to the subject faculty or the class in charge. See to it that the remedials are conducted for them and they pass the subject. Otherwise, this fellow will be there till 6th semester and your overall result 100% రాదు 6th semester అయిపోయింది. Or if it is MBA 4th semester వీడు పెట్టుకొని ఉంటాడు మంచిగా జాగ్రత్తగా పెట్టుకొని ఉంటాడు అని ట్రాక్ చేయాలి. You want to imagine IT class in charge I gave it up when they were 4th sem man. 4th sem to Ganesh sir. మొన్న వచ్చారు వాళ్ళు. They are in 6th semester now. I still remember that they failed accounts. I asked those 3 bandas, ainda subject అయిపోయిందని. That's how I was tracking them. They were very regular to college. They were there was student I still remember. That fellow only didn't pay man. Certificate courses. So this is how it will go into the annual report also. Class in charge will do the consolidated result analysis and this I am showing you the annual report you are seeing. One of the part of the index, not only student participation, not only all this, we show result analysis, which is very mandatory. If you see my NAT presentation, I have shown what is the intake and what is the result. That's very important. So what you reflect goes into the annual report and then consolidated will go into the PPT of the HOD later and then into the principal's presentation. I told you result analysis subject wise చేస్తాము. Yes, I'll tell you. You know there are 2 students who failed in FOA అనుకున్నాం. What you taught FOA లో 2 students failed. Now you have to write a reason as to why. అంటే you have to speak to the student. ఏమైంది రా బాబు నేను ఎన్ని నోట్స్ ఇచ్చాను నేను చెప్పాను అడిగాను. What happened? Why did you fail? నేను external లో ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాడా తెలుస్తుంది నీకు internal లో ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాడు. Reasons వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుంటాం. You have to see to it that he makes over that mistake what he has done when he wrote previously. Remedial class, if you are the subject faculty, you have to conduct remedial. If you are not the subject faculty, as a class in charge, you have to request the subject faculty to conduct and then this coordination will do so that he will pass it for the subject. Next exam he writes, he has to pass. and then when less marks are given in internal, he will fail in the overall subject. That also you have to keep in mind. Please keep in mind, those 10 marks are with you, SBT. Please don't give a 0 in SBT. Please, that's my humble request. Enduku ante, don't go by facial expressions. When I speak, my face is like that. And really, that's a humble request. 10 marks, నేను ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను కదా, ఏదో ఒక డ్రిల్ అవుట్ చేయండి. If he is not giving your presentation, call him nicely. అరే రారా బయట నాకు పని ఉంది అని చెప్పి పిలిచి ఎంత నేర్చుకున్నాడు కాన్సెప్ట్, యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ హిమ్ నో క్వశ్చన్స్. కెన్ వి గివ్ 5 marks when we ask him question? Minimum 5 marks, 5 to 7 marks allot to him. ఏదో ఒకటి అయితే చేయగలుగుతాడు. Something he can do. You are testing his skills. You are not punishing him by giving a 0, please. No.
What we can do, see, generally 16 marks we see that the student gets.
In the internal.
Internals. Together, and internal 1, 2 average and then SBT together, we tell 16 marks. Then suppose the student is not coming, okay, and then suppose if you give 5 marks also is failing, then give 2 or 3. There is no point of giving 5 marks.
అంటే వాడికి 16 మార్క్స్ ఇంటర్నల్ రావాలా?
ఒకవేళ
Okay.
submit చేస్తే 16 marks pass అయితే give it like that.
40లో 30 plus 30 మీరు అన్నారు ఓకే మ్యామ్ వాడు ఎస్బిటికి రాలేదు 10 మార్క్స్ అంటే ఇక్కడ వాడికి ఒకవేళ 12 వేస్తే నువ్వు వచ్చిన ఎస్బిటితో పాస్ అవుతాడు వాడు.
అట్లా like that you see.
ప్రాబ్లం ఏమవుతుందంటే వాడికి ఇక్కడ తక్కువ వచ్చాయనుకో, హియర్ ఇఫ్ హి హస్ స్కోర్డ్ లెస్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ హి విల్ ఫెయిల్ ఇన్ యువర్ సబ్జెక్ట్, హి విల్ ఫెయిల్. When internals is in your hands, see that he copes up.
1 second. See, Mamta ma'am was asking that reasons, no? Yeah, see, when we are evaluating the student in the result analysis, the reasons can be one thing, whether he failed internal or external. Now, internal, if we are failing and external is passing, again it will be remark on us.
Yes. I want to tell you that.
అందుకనే minimum, అందుకనే minimum 16 వచ్చేటట్టు చూడండి. The worst case, if you give also is not passing, then go as it is whatever you are having. But sometimes no, if you give 4 వచ్చే దగ్గర 5 వేస్తే పాస్ అయిపోతున్నాడు 16, make him pass. So there's no harm in that. Okay, and then one more thing, according to you, if the fellow is failing because he did not attend your classes properly, you can write that reason. He has not come regularly to the college. And being a quantitative subject, they should, if he is absent one day and coming next day, absent another day, that will not fetch him marks. You can give your own reasons for that. Second thing is, make the student, why is that, you ask him, why is that you failed? Is it because of lack of preparation from your side, or you do not understand the concept what it is? Give those reasons also. So from your side, from the student side, you can put the reasons. So in that result analysis, what we are speaking about. So that's it. You can tell that because of that, reason. Because he was absent, he did not attend the classes. Even remedial you have conducted, he had not attended remedial class also, you have a proof for it. That is the reason he failed. So it is not your mistake, it is a student mistake. It will go.
Keep a track of it.
You
Keep
can
a
write
track
that.
of the student. ఏమైంది, ఎందుకు, why? That's why class in charge. That's why you are a subject.
Sorry, madam.
Sir.
I just wanted to add something. And not to take the names. Forgive me if I am saying this. Teachers are sometimes too stingy. A big part. See, ఒక స్టూడెంట్ ఒక టీచర్ మన కాలేజీలో పెడితే వాడు ఫెయిల్ అయితే మనం ఆనందించాలా? Do we have to take the pleasure of making him fail? It is not our duty to make him pass by any means, all means. లాస్ట్ టైం ఒక స్టూడెంట్ ఒక పర్టికులర్ టీచర్ చూస్తే అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 30 మార్క్స్ 8, 12, 11. That means have you taken the bad students, wrong students? If that is the case, make him to get 18, 20 by any method. I am also parent. My child is there. How bad I will feel if he gets these marks by paying so much of money?
Correct.
This is not our duty. See, it is something like a child is given to somebody.
One thing is, don't give full 10 out of 10
Yeah, it is not given.
10 out of 10 we never give. We never give. 9 is the highest. 10 is the కూడా డౌట్ వస్తుంది. అరే మ్యామ్ దేదియరే అట్లా మాట్లాడతారు.
He has done very good. You want to encourage? Yes, you can give.
Student is
So
Extremely good, yes.
you can do.
Yes, we
Yeah,
justify.
there are students who are extremely and
10 out of 10 in the class.
they write more than what we expect.
But
There are some
always
students-
remember, if your student is not getting, and your subject student is not getting this 16 marks, added up to 10 SBT also, then he is going to fail. If he is going to fail in internals, what is the use? He passes there, out there, it is no use. 16 marks minimum రావాలి. Always whenever you are submitting the total marks, keep in mind that he gets the minimum of 16 in internal. So, otherwise, you know, the lower this goes, the higher his external marks slab increases. A slab increase అయిపోతుంది. చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది స్టూడెంట్. నెవర్ గివ్ అప్ ఆన్ హిస్ 10 మార్క్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఛాలెంజ్. వాడు 10 మార్క్స్ ఎర్న్ చేసుకోవాలి. కీప్ ఆన్ టెలింగ్ హిమ్, నాన్న నీకు 2 మార్క్స్ దీనికి ఇస్తాను, 4 మార్క్స్ యూ విల్ ఎర్న్. ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. కీప్ ఆన్ మోటివేటింగ్ హిమ్. Give whatever kind of project you can give. Don't make him lose this 10 marks. See to it.
ఇంటర్నల్లో ఒక పిల్లగాడు మామూలుగా ఒక 5 మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయి అనుకుందాం మనం ఇంటర్నల్ 1లో. ఇంటర్నల్ 2 వాడు రాయలేదు. మనం ఎస్బిటికి 10 ఇచ్చామనుకోండి,
10 ఇయ్యలేము.
10 ఇయ్యలేము.
So that is what give minimum marks.
అట్లాంటి situation.
Because he's going to fail. If you give 10 also he's going to fail.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't give so much. You give 4, 5, whatever is.
There are cases like that. Extraordinary cases ఉంటాయి. So ఐడెంటిఫై దట్ ఫెలో. 5 మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఎందుకు వచ్చాయి 5 మార్క్స్? నీకు ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ వస్తే నువ్వు ఇంటర్నల్ 2లో నువ్వు పాస్ అవుతావు. ఇంటర్నల్లో దట్ ఫెలో ఆల్సో డజంట్ నో పాపం. వాడు ఏమనుకుంటా అంటే పాస్ అయిపోతావు ఇంటర్నల్. నువ్వు టెల్ హిమ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. కూర్చోబెట్టు, చెప్పు, నేను నీకు 5 వచ్చాయంటే నీకు ఎన్ని రావాలి, నీకు ఇంకా ఇన్ని వస్తే నువ్వు పాస్ అయినట్టు, నీకు 14 రావాలి టోటల్, ఇంత స్కోర్ చేసుకోవాలి, యావరేజ్ అయిపోతుంది, absent అవ్వనివ్వద్దు. Tell him the disadvantages of being absent for internals and tell him why these 10 marks are very easy to score. So it's very important. Then you can show in your result analysis ఒక్కడేదో అట్లా తప్పిపోయి ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయినాడు వాడు. 2 people also fail in a subject, no, it will show 97% I'm telling you. ఎంత ఏడుపు వస్తుందంటే ఇద్దరు కొట్టాలనిపిస్తుంది. We cannot show 100 and 100%. It's always a competition, 100 on 100.
When you do the consolidated and submitting to the examination run, sometimes you find 15 వస్తుంటాయి. ఒక్క మార్క్ తోనే యాడ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ఎస్పిటి అట్లా చేసేసేయండి. 2 మార్క్స్ షార్ట్ అవుతారు. అరే క్యాన్ వి యాడ్ దేర్? యాడ్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో.
ఎస్బిటికి మనము ఎక్కువ ఇవ్వచ్చు. ఏంటంటే మన చేతిలో
ఎస్పిటి చేయొచ్చు.
ఇంటర్నల్లో వాడు రానప్పుడు మనం ఎంత లాగలేము.
ఈ ఇంటర్నల్ కాదు యాక్చువల్గా హౌ వి యూస్ టు డు యు నో,
Give him counseling.
ఇంటర్నల్ 1 వచ్చింది, ఇంటర్నల్ 2 కి we used to tell, if you don't get you're going to fail. We'll tell them, go ఇంటర్నల్ 1 ఇంత తక్కువ వచ్చినాయి, ఇంటర్నల్ 2 రాకపోతే సపోజ్ ఎస్బిటి లో వేసి ఇంటర్నల్ 2 వేసేటప్పుడు కొంచెం లీనియన్సీ చూపిస్తాము ఇంటర్నల్ 2 కి, రైట్, అండ్ దెన్ గివ్ దెమ్ మార్క్స్. we see that they pass, we see that. అందుకే మీరు వేసేటప్పుడు చూసుకోవాలి. ఇంటర్నల్ 2 మార్క్స్ వేసేటప్పుడు వీడికి ఇంటర్నల్ 1 ఎంత వచ్చినాయి అంటే 2 మార్కులు ఇక్కడ వస్తాయా కొంచెం ఆలోచించాలి. Not more, but at least they can pass. Major some 10-15 people also pass. It's going to be a great deal for us. So అట్లా ఆలోచించి ఇంటర్నల్ 2 మార్క్స్, ఎస్బిటి మార్క్స్, we have to think about it.
Okay.
మ్యామ్ ఇంకొకటి ఇప్పుడు మహేంద్ర డీల్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా, మెజారిటీ జీరోస్ మ్యామ్.
లేదు మ్యామ్, కన్విన్స్ హిమ్. అడగండి, రీజన్ ఏంటో అడగండి, ఎందుకు జీరోస్ ఇచ్చారు అడగండి.
ఎస్బిటీస్ అండ్ దెన్
No ma'am, we cannot accept a zero like that. అడగండి. Can we have a meeting with him? Why zeros? ఎవరు జావేదా మోనికానా? జావేదా మోనికానా?
చాలా మంది I was shocked by seeing the marks actually.
జీరో వేయడానికి లేదు కదా. Shall we talk to him?
ఒకసారి మాట్లాడితే ఎంటర్
అదే
చేయలేదు.
మేడం, మీ దగ్గర మార్క్స్ షీట్ ఉందా? Okay, can you produce so that we can discuss it, sir? No?
Yeah, no problem. And ఇంకొకటి మ్యామ్, when talking to the outsiders, when we ask, can we ask them to be lenient?
Lenient in a sense, ఇదే మ్యామ్, కాన్సెప్చువల్లీ వాళ్ళు స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటే వైవా క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగి ఇవ్వమనండి మ్యామ్. మినిమం
మ్యామ్ అట్లా అంటే ఏమవుతుంది తెలుసా మ్యామ్, ఎక్సెల్ ఇప్పుడు అడ్వాన్స్ ఎక్సెల్ ఇస్ a practical paper, so many of them do not even have the computers.
Okay.
వాళ్ళ ప్రాక్టీస్ లేదు పాపము.
We will give lab facility here in college, no ma'am?
We told that.
Yeah, we told already.
We have conducted also. We have
Yeah, we
conducted.
conducted.
We conducted మ్యామ్. Majority of the students are outstations.
Acha.
వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు, మేము దీని కొరకు వచ్చి వెళ్ళడం ఎట్లా, where do we stay? So there were problems with advanced excel when it was going practical.
Ma'am, he was giving practical assignments, huh?
నాకు అది తెలియదు.
And this is internal, they lost or is it internal?
Internal zero. SBT zero.
Also bright students got very less marks.
Ma'am, one thing I would like to debate. See, he is also faculty, he is also teacher. Bright student getting less marks. If bright student there, he doesn't write, he will not get marks.
No.
No, 1 minute, 1 minute. So, let us not debate on that. If there is a case where the wrong answers were wrong, so he is agreed to, revise the marks. అంటే ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఒక ఆన్సర్ ఉంది, అది తప్పించాడు ఆయన, వాళ్ళు పిల్లలు రైట్ రాస్తారు, వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా రివైజ్ చేస్తారు. సో బ్రైట్ స్టూడెంట్ గెటింగ్ లో మార్క్స్, ఐ డోంట్ అగ్రీ ఆన్ దిస్. నెంబర్ 1. నెంబర్ 2, వీ హావ్ కండక్టెడ్ ల్యాబ్ ఫెసిలిటీ ఫర్ ద పీపుల్. ఫాదర్ ఏం చెప్పారు, మనం ఎంతో కష్టపడి ఇక్కడ పెడుతున్నాం పాండమిక్ లో, అన్ని తీసుకొని పిల్లలు దూరంగా ఉన్నారు, రాలేకపోతే అది ఎవరిది తప్పు?
Ma'am, case wise, Vani ma'am, case wise, please write the remarks and let us discuss with the.
we need to.
We will discuss, ma'am. We will come to a solution for that because we will not submit a 0 for students like that. We'll talk about
We
it.
have to, ma'am, because SBTs were also not transparent to the students, it seems. Because SBT first sheet, when he was not aware, I think, ma'am. Tech Mahindra people were not aware that they had to give SBTs.
Yes.
So only marks పంపించారు.
Chapter.
Later Martin sir communicated.
Yeah.
Sir, నేనేమి నెగటివ్ మాట్లాడడం లేదు.
No,
But
they are trying to discuss the issue.
discuss the issue. He is also faculty. I don't deny that if he is giving less marks, it is his discretion.
అట్లాంటప్పుడు మన ఇంటర్నల్ 1 చేసినప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి తక్కువ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇంటర్నల్ 2 బిఫోర్ యూ షుడ్ కరెక్ట్ టెస్ట్ ఆర్
Cover up
సంథింగ్
చేయాలి.
టు సీ వెదర్ దే ఎక్విప్డ్ విత్ ఇట్
Yes.
అది చేసేది
Yes.
ఉండే అతను.
చేసేది ఉంటే ఇంకొకటి మ్యామ్, దెన్ వెన్ ఐ ఆస్క్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ వై స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎందుకు ఇట్లా లెస్ మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయి, ఎస్బిటి మార్క్స్ ఎందుకు ఇట్లా అందరికి 7, 8, why you did not get full marks అంటే there was no transparency. How he has given assigned the way we interact అంటే ఏమైపోయిందంటే లేటర్ స్టేజ్ లో కమ్యూనికేషన్ వెళ్ళిపోయేటప్పటికి he has to do something with the SBTs. So based
ఏదో ఒకటి వేసేసారు.
he was saying that answer was the way the people interacted with me I have given, but how far he will remember whom
Correct.
out of 16
Correct.
students. So
Fine, ma'am. Can we put this clearly on the paper that individual analysis has to be made, sir? We will communicate to them
Ma'am,
through.
same case with me because you have seen that internal one, most of them did not submit papers.
Upload.
They did not upload.
Upload చేయలేకపోయారు ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్
The
కాబట్టి.
very next day,
They got a
very next day,
zero.
I went to father, ma'am, put
Ah.
immediately the word. Father said no signatures. So most of the students are failing. So what is the solution to this?
వాళ్ళందరూ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ పాస్ అయిపోతారు.
No, ma'am. They are not keeping for. They are raising an issue about it that మేము upload చేసాం మీకే కనిపించలేదు.
ఎంతమంది చాలా మంది
70% of the students.
ఆల్మోస్ట్ BBA ఆల్ స్ట్రీమ్స్ అలా
ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ కొంచెం పడింది మ్యామ్. ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్
Will-
క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ కి వాళ్ళకి టైం సరిపోలేదు.
Ma'am, one second, let me explain. There was only one link shared and there was a time constraint. 10 అంటే 10 కి క్లోజ్ చేసేసిండ్రు గణేష్ సార్, మీరు కానీ, Simon sir కానీ. Then after which we couldn't give time for any students, any
Yes.
extra time.
Yes.
So rules అన్నప్పుడు rules అన్నారు father, so we have followed it.
Then
So
but this is they fail.
they failed because they did not submit their answer script in time.
And they are also reckless in submitting SBT, ma'am. They are lethargic, it seems. They are troubling the faculties, what I heard. So it is case wise what we have to analyze actually.
తీసుకొని అనలైజ్ చేస్తే
Ah.
And
That's what I
one
do.
madam,
We'll analyze.
there is a bright student, she says that I submitted. నాకు అసలు పేపరే కనిపించడం లేదు. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ ఇంటర్నల్స్ ఎట్లా సబ్మిట్ చేసావు, ఎట్లా పేపర్ కనిపిస్తుంది అంటే there is no
And
answer.
they will not because they have been వాళ్ళు reckless ఉంటారు ma'am అప్పుడు ఆ kind of time. They want to put it on us. That's it.
On us and
Ah,
when
they do like
ma'am
that. You have to be very careful with them.
మ్యామ్ నేను గట్టిగా మాట్లాడితే
ఉల్టా మాట్లాడతారు.
60 students are supporting that
Yes, they're doing it because I had the same problem with Magdalene's subject. Then we had it with Mamta's class for Mamta's subject. I've been facing this, ma'am. So we'll bring it down to some. Yes. अपन ऐसा करेंगे ये तो groupism. Yes. They came to college, you know. There were 30 students who came to college. ఏదో అందరు నా క్యాబిన్ లోకి వచ్చేసి నేను భయపడిపోతానంటే I said the faculty is not there. Kindly leave. I want the faculty to be here. మీరు ఒకటి చెప్పి faculty and I don't want. I want to listen from the faculty. Then I will speak to you అని చెప్పాను. వెయిట్ చేశారు వెళ్ళిపోయారు. We have to look into the issue now.
And in the
Yeah.
second,
Fine.
they didn't have any problem, ma'am. They have submitted in time.
Okay, fine.
That was it.
Anyways, we'll come to the end of this. Yeah.
మ్యామ్ ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్ అప్పుడైతే ఐ ఫేస్డ్ హెల్ మ్యామ్. వీళ్ళకి అసలు ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఏ కాల్ సెంటర్ అండ్ వన్ పేరెంట్ అయితే నన్ను దుమ్ము దులిపి వదిలేదు. అండ్ హీ సేయింగ్ ద గర్ల్ వాస్ క్రైయింగ్ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్. అండ్ నువ్వు ఎట్లా టెన్షన్ పెడతావు నా పాపని నన్ను ఎన్ని హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ హీ స్కోల్డెడ్ మీ మ్యామ్. అండ్ వాట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ అర్థం కాదమ్మా, అర్థం కాదు. మీరు ఇస్తారు ఓరియంటేషన్ హైయర్ మీ గురించి, మేము ఉంటాము, మేము వర్కింగ్, he or she doesn't know how to enter, what is that you want now అని చెప్పేసి ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు వచ్చాడు. ఇంకోటి టెస్ట్ పిన్స్ ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు అరే హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ 45 minutes డిలే. దో వీఆర్ ఎష్యూరింగ్ దట్ టైమ్ స్టార్ట్స్ వెన్ యూ లాగ్ ఇన్.
Yes.
దే వర్ నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ దట్ మెంటల్ మేకప్.
Ma'am, అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే that particular student you have to sit and talk to, ma'am, because only that student has a problem. Speak to the student అప్పటికప్పుడు. Instead of speaking to parent, you tell parent, yeah, I am getting back to the student అని student తో మాట్లాడి assure that you will get this in 10 minutes. ఎందుకనంటే the main campus is not having only BBA IT one student or 60 students, ma'am. They have BCom, so many other courses there with BSc writing at the same time. So if they are attending, they might be attending to 300 calls like that. అక్కడ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు కదా. సో ఒక్కొక్క ఇష్యూ సాల్వ్ చేసుకొని వచ్చే వరకు మన టర్న్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్ మిస్టేక్, యువర్ మిస్టేక్ ఆర్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ మిస్టేక్. Naturally these kind of issues will come up, ma'am. Reason we are trying to solve certain things. Offline రాలేరు కాబట్టి ఆన్లైన్ పెట్టాము, ఒక యాప్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, వస్తాయి మ్యామ్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ యూ, నిన్న ఎంబీఏ ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తున్నారు. స్వామి సార్, కిరణ్ సార్ హ్యావ్ బికమ్ కాల్ సెంటర్. Joel sir, we didn't want to trouble you because you were doing your classes, so we put on them. మొత్తం వాళ్ళ షోల్డర్స్ మీద వేసేసాం నిన్న. Literally, if you go and see call center only, I was telling Anita ma'am also, గడ 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 5 ఉన్నారు ఆ ల్యాబ్ లో. కంటిన్యూస్లీ దే ఆర్ టాకింగ్ బికాస్ సో మెనీ. ఒక్క ఇష్యూ లేకుండా దే వర్ ఏబుల్ టు సాల్వ్ స్మూత్లీ రన్ ఇట్. అంటే వీఆర్ బెటరింగ్ ఓవర్ ఇట్ మ్యామ్, వీఆర్ బెటరింగ్ ఓవర్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ వీ గో ఫర్ exam, we are bettering over it. So we will try and bring a solution for it.
అంటే వాట్ దే ఆర్ సేయింగ్ ఇస్ లాస్ట్
Parent.
మినిట్ అట్లా ఏడుస్తుంటే వాట్ దే రిమెంబర్ అండ్ రైట్ ద ఎగ్జామ్.
Correct, ma'am. Correct. If it was to our child, same. Same. అయితే వాళ్ళకి ముందే చెప్పాలి మ్యామ్, అట్లాంటి స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటే కొంచెం ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకొని కౌన్సిల్ చేయాలి. పేరెంట్స్ దాకా పోనీయకుండా మనమే చూసేస్తున్నాం. ఐడెంటిఫై దో స్టూడెంట్స్. పానిక్ అవుతారు, టెక్ సావీ ఉండరు, సిస్టమ్ సావీ ఉండరు. వాళ్ళని కొంచెం మనం పాలిష్ చేసి అయిపోతుందన్నా అని చెప్పేసి అంటే మీరే వాళ్ళ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వాళ్ళకి. పేరెంట్స్ దాకా ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తుందంటే మ్యామ్, దే ఫీల్ దట్ వెన్ వీ డోంట్ సపోర్ట్. అప్పుడు పేరెంట్స్కి కోపం వచ్చేస్తుంది, మా టీచర్ ఏం చెప్పాలి, మాకు చేయాలి, అట్లా చేయాలి అంటే ఫినిష్ ఖతం అయిపోతారు వాళ్ళు, ఫుల్ బాహుబలి అయిపోతారు అప్పుడు మన మీద. కొంచెం మనము పిల్లల్ని పాలిష్ చేసుకోవాలి. అవుతుంది మ్యామ్. అక్కడ సందీప్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ హూ ఇస్ డూయింగ్ ద టెస్ట్ పిన్స్ మ్యామ్. పాపం అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ గో అండ్ సిట్ దేర్ ఇన్ ది ఎగ్జామ్ బ్రాంచ్ లో పిచ్చిలేసిపోతుంది. లిటరలీ యుల్ గో మ్యాన్. అండ్ వాట్ స్వప్న అండ్ దెన్ మైసా సార్ అండ్ గణేష్ సార్ వాజ్ డూయింగ్ వాజ్ మీరు అన్న దానికంటే 100 times వేసుకోండి, మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోండి. దే వర్ ఫేసింగ్ సచ్ అ ప్రాబ్లమ్. దే హ్యావ్ నెవర్ ఇట్ మ్యామ్. Now they have to send it to everybody, all the faculty. They have to listen to all of you. And you are doing only for 60 students. So Ganesh sir were doing it for all the classes, all Papam. They were doing for internals, they were doing for externals. Horrible situation they were facing. అసలు నాకే ఒక మాట ఇట్లా నోట్లో నుంచి రాలేదు. అక్కడ నాకు సార్ ఏమైంది అని కూడా అర్థం. Because I know what they are facing. We only don't know. మనకి ఏంటంటే టెస్ట్ మీన్స్ రాలేదు అని అంటారు కదా. మనకి టెస్ట్ మీన్స్ రావాలంటే పెద్ద ప్రొసీజర్. And they were working day and night మ్యామ్. నేను చెప్తున్నాను ఆ రోజు సెలబ్రేషన్స్ Swapna didn't have food. నేను చెప్పలేదు. Now I'm telling you, no, Swapna is very busy. She didn't have food, ma'am. We all had food. I'm తిన్నాం ma'am. She was doing the test pins there. She felt so bad, that she was not a part of the celebration. She felt bad. She never told anybody. I only identified it. That is like she was. Yeah. And any తన చెప్తుంటే నేను ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి I had to pacify because I understood she was doing the test pins. అప్పుడే సాయితి అండ్ గణేష్ సార్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుని వచ్చి దే జాయిన్ us. It's very difficult, ma'am, when it comes to test pin. Kindly make your student understand that. Okay?
Thank you very much. I hope this was of some help to you. We try to see to it that you learn the system, you understand how we have to, and then how we have to take responsibility every single work which is given to us. Along